WhatsApp is one of the most popular instant messaging apps, and it offers a lot of advantages, especially if you have friends that also use the service. So, in this short video, I will be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp on your iPhone. To begin, launch the App Store. Tap Search on the lower left corner of the screen. On the search bar, type WhatsApp and tap Search. Tap the download icon beside WhatsApp Messenger. Depending on how fast your connection is, the download may take just a few seconds. When the download is finished, the installation will start automatically. All you have to do is wait until the installation is finished. Once WhatsApp is successfully installed, tap Open to launch it. Before you can proceed, you have to agree to its privacy policy and terms of service. So tap Agree and Continue. Now enter your phone number and tap Done. I hope that this simple tutorial has been able to help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.